Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to prepare a delicious mouth-watering dish, Prawns Tawa Fry. It's a quick and easy recipe that's perfect for seafood lovers. So let's get started. First we need to marinate the prawns. In a mixing bowl, take the prawns, add some salt, turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder and some garam masala. Into that add some crushed ginger, garlic, curry leaves and finely chopped small onions. Mix everything really well and keep it aside for 10 to 15 minutes, or you can keep it in refrigerator overnight. In a hot tawa, add some cooking oil or coconut oil. Once the oil is hot, it's time to add the marinated prawns. Add the prawns, spread them out evenly and let them cook for 2 to 3 minutes on each side until they turn pink and slightly caramelized. Once the prawns are cooked, add rest of the onions and cook it really well till it becomes this golden color. Garnish it with some fresh curry leaves, mix it nicely, and there you have it, our delicious prawns tawa fry is ready to be served. Here I am serving it with some Kerala rice and yellow curd curry, crispy prawns with the caramelized onions. Oh, it tastes amazing. Thanks for watching our video. Hope you liked the recipe. Do click the like button and leave your comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Until next time, happy cooking!